everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing 6 lip combo that everyone should know how to do. To get that perfect lip combo, you need to hydrate your lips first and then remove the extra product with wet wipe. Next is to have a very sharp lip liner. Now I'm using this Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade chocolate brown. I always start lining my lips from the side and then I come to the cupid bow. This trick helps to make your lips look more fuller. After lining my lips, I use my finger to smudge it. You can also use a flat brush like this to smudge the lip liner. As we are doing a cherry cola lip combo, we need a red lipstick. So for that, I'm using a red lipstick from Lakme. So this is how the red lipstick look after drying out. And once again, I am outlining my lips with this brown lip liner. Next for the gloss, I'm using this Inside Cosmetic clear gloss. You can also use a cherry tint gloss. This lip combo is just so good and I think you need to try this. Now let's get into the iconic 90s lip combo because this will never go out of the style. So I'm using a dark brown lip liner from Swiss Beauty and now I'm just slightly lining my lips, and next I'm going to use a concealer. Yes, a concealer. I'm not going to use a lot but just a little amount on my lips, and then I'm using my finger to just blend it, and this is how it will look after blending. Now to make it look more perfect, again I'm using a lip liner and outlining my lips, and next step is to use a flat brush to smudge the lip liner, and now finishing this lip combo with a clear gloss which is from Inside Cosmetic. And yeah, this is how it look at the end. I think it's looking superb. I don't know why, but it's giving me that 90s supermodel vibes. Next is nude lip combo. For that, I'm using a Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade maroon. Instead of maroon, you can also use a light brown shade. So after lining my lips with the lip liner, I like to smudge it with the brush. After that, I'm adding a nude shade, and this is from One Wish. Just look at the shade. It looks so dreamy and so beautiful, and this is how it look at the end. I think it's perfect for every day. You can also wear this lip combo when your makeup is full of glam. So next is Blackberry Jam lip combo. For that, I'm using a brown lip liner and I'm simply outlining my lips, and then I'm using a brush to smudge it. Now I'm using this liquid lipstick which is in the shade Wine. So I'm using this lipstick as a lip liner after the brown shade. Now mixing both the liner and lipstick, and this is how it turned out. Now again, I'm outlining my lips with the same brown lip liner. I mean, wow, just look at this lip combo. And now topping it off with a gloss. For that, I'm using Inside Cosmetics clear gloss. It's literally looking like a juicy jam lips. And next is brown glossy lip combo. For that, I'm using Swiss Beauty dark chocolate lip liner, and then simply I'm going to blend it, and then I'm topping it off with a brown gloss which is from Sugar Cosmetics. And trust me, this lip combo will look good on every skin tone and it's perfect for everyday wear. So next is a shiny glittery lip combo. So for that, I'm using Swiss Beauty cherry brown lip liner. I'm just simply outlining my lips, and then I'm using this Inside Cosmetic glitter lip gloss. Just look at the shine. It looks so glittery and glossy, and this gloss is smelling like an Alpenliebe chocolate, and this is how it look at the end. Super cute, and my lips look so fuller, so shiny and so glossy.